This is actually my first time making this camping van kind of video. Today I'm going to be cooking one of the spiciest ramen noodle out there from my van. Pretty excited. I got a couple ingredients, not that many. Most important thing is I got the spiciest ramen noodle that's made in Korea. So I'm gonna be going out to a place, probably somewhere in the countryside, and finding a nice place to cook this spiciest ramen noodle. I'll show you guys how spicy it is. So hopefully the experience could be relaxing and enjoyable for you guys. So let's get started. There used to be a cornfield here. So I think we got a nice spot, nice countryside where it's not too busy, and we're gonna be cooking up spiciest ramen noodle in Korea. I'm excited. I'm not really good with spicy things, but we'll see how it goes. I sometimes go here and fish, and because it's the winter right now. See, yeah, it's frozen, but not here. So I guess the water here is not as cold as up there. Even up there, I don't know if it's solid enough. You can see the ice right there. Probably not good. When the ice isn't clear, it's like muddy, cloudy. It's a sign that it's not good. It's not a good water. Freezing winter. I guess it's really the best time to try this spicy ramen noodle, because this spicy ramen noodle, it's gonna keep you, nice and warm, nice and toasty, hopefully. Okay, it's actually one of the great thing about being in a van is that you don't have to open up the trunk to cook. So I'll show you what I mean. It's super messy here right now, but here it's my little van camping setup. Yeah, I got the little nice mattresses, and this stores lots of things. And I got the little camping stove and my pots. The beep sound that you just heard was a carbon monoxide detector. I think a lot of American YouTubers have tried this ramen because it's known for being super spicy. Right here in Korean, it's called 불닭 볶음면. I'm going to be eating 2 of these to keep me warm in this freezing winter camp. This is kind of the special ingredient that I'm putting. You see there are these 2 cheddar cheese and a piece of seaweed. I'm gonna be adding those into my spicy ramen noodle. And just in case if it get too spicy, I'm gonna be drinking this Pepsi. Set up my camping stove. You just open up. It's here. I don't know if it got recorded. I chopped up these cheese. Seed. You want to grab it and just crumble it a little bit. Okay, it's steaming up a little bit, but it's got some ways to go. Oh, look at that beautiful sun and scenery right here. This all used to be a rice field, but now they harvested it, and what a beautiful scenery here. Wow. This is actually a perfect place to come and fish and enjoy just a nice evening. And today, unfortunately, I'll be trying this spiciest ramen noodle, and we'll see how I feel afterward. In the package, it comes with, obviously the ramen noodle itself, and this flake, and this devil looking sauce. Looks super spicy. I'll open up another one right here. Yep. When it's boiling, I'll dump the water. No, not the water. I'll put the noodles in there. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, my van is getting nice and toasty. Dump the first noodle. Where's the second? Okay, right here. Grab the second noodle and dump it all in. Actually, one issue is I forgot where I don't know if I have a utensil here. Okay, let this boil for another 3 minutes and they will be done and good to go. I might have forgotten my utensil. I usually eat it with chopstick. I might have to go find some sticks. Okay. I'll let that boil for a little bit. But what's more important is I have to find a stick. I do have a knife. If I find a nice stick, I'll be able to cut it up a little bit. That was my bad mistake. Okay. Okay, I got a little stick, so I'm gonna improvise and make a little chopstick to eat with. Yeah, it's boiling good. Hey, not bad. Got a little chopstick right here. Dump the water. Drain the water. Okay, so I just opened it up. Unfortunately, because I was busy making this chopstick, the top part, I forgot to stir it up while it was cooking, so some parts not cooked. Dump this evil looking sauce. Wow. That looks spicy. Whew, I can smell the spice from here. Wow. I have to put this cheese right on top of it. Wow. That either looks devilish or delicious to someone. I don't know what to expect, but I'll give it a try. Wow. Okay. Wow. Whew. Wow. Oh, this thing is spicy. Okay. Oh, that tastes delicious, but for sure spicy. Right here. Okay, I'll grab some. Whew. Yeah. You see the red? You know, some people say they drink a little bit of vodka or alcohol when it's cold outside to keep them warm. I think spicy ramen noodle will do the job. Wow. Right there. Honestly, adding this cheese and more seaweed saved my life. Because I know adding some dairy product makes spicy things less spicy. And if I didn't add those 2 cheese in here, whoo, I don't know, I would have been toast. Okay, it's gonna take a while, so I'll turn the camera back on when I'm done with eating. Okay. I finished. Whew. Thing is spicy. Oh, you see my lips are red. I have a runny nose. Show you. Ah, spicy. So, what do I think? Stretch my feet. So, what do I think? I think, honestly, I'm running out of breath. Hope I don't pass out, but what I think is spicy. Very, very spicy. Probably it is the spiciest ramen noodle I had. And if I didn't add those cheese, 2 slices of cheese, I think it would have been dangerous. I might have to. I would have been to an emergency room, but I'm okay. I can persevere, and maybe from now on. I mean, the taste wise, tastes really good, but it's just very spicy. And and it's like my tongue and my mouth is burning hot, but my feet is still cold. So if you're using this trick to keep you warm, it doesn't work. Okay? So I'm gonna eat the rest of my Pepsi and probably just take a nap here. And I hope you guys enjoy this spicy ramen noodle eating challenge. And I'll be doing a van camping on my next video. I'll be testing out this metal heater that contains water. Supposedly it works really well. It's people keep saying that it's the best winter camping solution. So I'll be testing out. So stay tuned for the next video.